Welcome to Al Isla National Academy, the best foundation for great future.
Welcome to the online classes of Al Isla National Academy. Again, I am in front of you. Today we are going to learn comparing and arranging. So I hope you all the students will cooperate with me. So let's begin. So comparing and arranging. Our first question is write WRITE, write greater than, less than, or equal. Okay, first we have to know this sign. This sign name is greater than. GRE, greater than. GREATER, greater than. This sign name is what? Greater than. And this sign name is what? Less than. This sign name is what? Less than. LESS, less than. And this sign name is what? Equal. EQUAL, equal. So these things you keep in your mind. So this sign name is what? Greater than. This sign name is what? Less than. And this sign name is what? Equal sign. Okay. So question number A, 46 then 74. Number B, 25 and 24. Then 26 and 26. 26 and 26. Okay, so 55 and 44. 55 and 44. So let's solve. So first you find out which number is bigger. 46 is bigger or 74? So 74 is bigger. So one thing you remember, crocodile mouth always goes to bigger number. So 74 is bigger. So we'll put this sign. So crocodile mouth goes to bigger number. So this is called what? This is called less than sign. So 46 then 74. Okay. So 25 and 24. Now which number is bigger? 25. So crocodile mouth goes to which number? Bigger number. So this sign name is what? Less than. This sign name is what? Less than. Let's say another example. 26 and 26. Both the same or not? 26 and 26. So we will put which sign? Equal sign. Now 55 and 44. Which number is bigger? 55 is bigger. So crocodile mouth goes to which number? Bigger number. You put this sign. So this is called what? Greater than sign. Okay. So let's see another question. Our next question is write the ascending order. Question number 2, WRITE, write the ascending order. ASCENDING, write the ascending order. ORDER, write the ascending order. Ascending means what? Smallest to biggest. SNALLEST, smallest to largest to biggest. LARGEST, largest. Write the ascending order. Ascending means what? Smallest to largest. So let's say one example. 15 15, then 12, then 2, then 22, then 13. How to solve? Let's see. Write the ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest, is not it? So first you find out which number is smallest here. 2. You write 2. Then after that which number is smallest? 12. Then after that which number is smallest? 13. After that which number is smallest? 2, 12, 13. Then 15. After that which number is smallest? 22. So if you see 2, 12, 13, 15, 22. So smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. So this is called what? Ascending order. Let's say another example. Question number B. Question number B 26, 34. 26, 34, 66, 21 and 19. So first you find out which number is smallest. 21 is smallest? No. 19 smallest. You put 19. Then after that which number is smallest? 21. You write 21. Then after that which number is smallest? 26. After that which number is smallest? 34. After that which number is smallest? 66. So see 19, 21, 26, 34, 66. So this is called what? Smallest to largest. This is called ascending order. Let's see next question. Next question is write in descending order. Question number 3. Write in W-R-I-T, write in descending order. D-E-S, C-E-N, D-I-N-G. Write in descending O-R-D-E-R. Write in descending order. So descending order means largest to smallest. Largest to L-A-R-G-E-S-T. Largest to smallest. S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T. Descending order means largest to smallest. These things you keep in your mind. Okay. So let's see one example. Let's say one example. 32, 24, then 56, 78 and 26. Next question. 44, then 55, then 11, then 22, then 99. So see, first you find out which number is bigger, which number is largest. Which number is largest? 78. You write first 78. After that which number is largest? You see 56. Then after that which number is largest? 32. After that which number is largest? 26. After that which number is largest? 24. So see 78, 56, 32, 26, 24. So largest to smallest. So this is called what? Descending order. Let's see next question. Now you find out which number is biggest. 99 is biggest. 99 you write. Then after that which number? 55. After that which number is bigger? 44. After that which number is bigger? 22. After that which number is smallest? 11. So this is called descending order. So today up to this much. You practice at your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you so much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest update.